Today I am building a volcano. And here I have all my Godzillas trying to destroy the volcano. So my mommy right now, she's doing the things to make the volcano explode on the Godzilla, literally a lot of lava. So here's our things. We're gonna
Mom's gonna help with that one, pal.
cut this. Now that's first. Am I doing it right?
You're doing great.
Okay.
And now, yep, that's it.
Now we have to put the water in.
And go slow with the water, okay?
So here it comes. The big
A little bit at a time.
bruh.
Okay, now pause. Stop.
No.
Go
No.
slower.
No. Go, go, go. No. No. No, his head is stuck in there. It's so funny. No, his face. No, no, no. Look at his name is Red Face. Marbles are coming. I know they're gonna die. I know they are. Oh, look at look at Spider-Man. So make sure if you like this video, subscribe and smash that like button. Bye-bye.